Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to make PDF file in mobile. So this is gonna work regardless if you are using an Android phone or an iOS. So what you're going to need here is just Google Drive. So just open your Google Drive, and from here we're going to go ahead and tap the camera. And let's say, for example, the first thing that we are going to do is turn an image into a PDF. I'm just going to capture it just like so. I've set this to manual, by the way, down below, in order for me to be able to capture it manually. And then from here, say for example, this is the document. I'm gonna hit the done button right here, and there you go. Basically, the format that they're offering first here is a PDF. I'm gonna go ahead and click the save button, and yeah, what we're going to do is just wait for this one. Okay, there you go. So if I open it, again, this is in PDF, you are able to see the document. Now, say for example, you have an existing document. I'm gonna open this one, for example. You can use Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and click this one right here. Click share and export, and then we're going to go ahead and click save as. Now you have the PDF document here. Go ahead and choose that and then hit OK, and as you can see, it's saving that file into a PDF. And there you go. So now it's done. There you go. You have the title there. It's PDF, and that, everybody, is how you're going to make PDF file in mobile.